Want to make your Docusign documents more interactive and informative? Today, I'll show you how to easily add hyperlinks. First, open the document you want to add a hyperlink to in Docusign and click the Edit button. This opens the document for modifications. Next, look for the text tool in the left-hand toolbar and select it. This will allow you to insert a text box in your document. Now, click anywhere on your document to insert the text box. Type the text you want to serve as your hyperlink. For example, you might type "click here" or the name of the website you are linking to. Select the text you just typed, then right-click on the selected text. A menu will pop up, and you should click on the Add Link option. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the URL you want to link to. Carefully type or paste the full web address into the provided field, ensuring it starts with HTTPS or HTTP. Once you've entered the correct URL, click the Save button to apply the hyperlink to your text. Your text is now a clickable link. The recipient can simply click on this text within the Docusign document to be taken directly to the website you specified, and that's how you add a hyperlink in Docusign.